You want to start a YouTube channel that actually looks professional without branding? In this quick video, I'll show you how to launch a full YouTube channel with just a few easy steps using AI tools and prompts.
First step is going to be to get to desktop mode. First, we're going to go onto YouTube, onto the website, click these three dots right here. You're going to scroll down until you find request desktop site. You want to click it and it'll bring you right to this. Second step is going to be to add or manage channel. For this, we're going to go to settings. You're going to scroll down till you find add or manage channels. This is where you add or manage any of your channels. You're going to want to create channel. And this is where you create a channel if you already have channels existing. The third step is going to be to prep your AI workspace. For this, you're going to want to make a folder. So you're going to go ahead up to the left right here. You want to click the plus sign in the projects. And you want to make the folder to whatever topic or name you want it to be. I'm just going to put a placeholder right here for now. Next step is going to be run the naming prompt. For this, you're going to want to go down into the description. You want to copy and paste that prompt into ChatGPT, into the new folder you just made. Change the topic to the appropriate topic that you need. I'm putting in a random shoe topic for it to generate right now, giving it multiple ranges of topics so it can give me multiple different types of names. And once you have it, just send it through. It's going to give you a list of 20 names. You can choose from these names, and you want to figure out which one is perfect for you. These are the names you are going to want to put into the next step to check if all of them are actually available. Step 5 is going to be check handle availability. You're going to use those names that you just acquired, and you want to put them into the handle and check to see if you get a green check mark. You could put a dot or an underscore in between it to fill it to get a different name. Last step, step 6, is going to be to generate the full branding kit. Once you have the name appropriate, you want to put it into ChatGPT, into the folder you already have. And since you already gave it the prompt, it's going to give you your banner, your profile photo, and a watermark for your appropriate profile. These are the photos that were generated for the shoe topic that I put into the prompt. Now, you've got a YouTube channel that looks clean and professional, and you did it in minutes using AI tools and AI prompts. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe to Nerd Kernel and let's build your brand smarter. Nerd Kernel out.